Come get ready with me in Taiwan, day 2! Simple t-shirt lang tayo. So, everyday meron kaming color coding. So, today is red and something. I got this shirt dito sa TikTok. And the viral skirt. Ah, diba? Yan lang. Simplified lang. Magtutour tayo today. So, actually, nakapunta na ako dun sa mga pupuntahan natin today. Sa Lantern, gano'n. Shifen. Pero hindi na kami mag-ALU. Ayan, that's the fit. And, this is our shoes. Size 8 ako, but I got size 40. Hindi na ako magsasocks. Tapos, this is our bag. Ito yung EC card namin. Binili kahapon. That is the fit. Ayan, may makeup and hair and accessorize na lang tayo. And then, we're good. Bye!